The Dust Bowl of the 1930s was one of the most horrific natural disasters of the 20th century. Windstorms blew away the topsoil, leaving the land barren and unable to be farmed. Regularly seeing the devastation from an airplane above, oil man Lloyd Noble recognized that if this important agricultural region of the United States were to recover from this economic and ecological disaster, farming and ranching practices were going to need to change. His solution came with a simple call to action: take care of the soil. In 1945, Mr. Noble took a bold step toward a solution to the crisis when he established Noble Research Institute. Noble began humbly with a group of soil scientists who tested the soil for farmers and ranchers. This evolved into research, demonstrations, and educational services. Today, we honor Mr. Noble's legacy by applying his wisdom to the care of America's grasslands. Our purpose is to save our grazing lands by promoting land stewardship through management, building soil health, and keeping farmers and ranchers on the land. Through this work, we're providing what he believed all along: better is possible. Every day, we work with farmers, ranchers, and landowners who seek to improve their operations, improve their soil and its resilience, and provide for their families, both in this generation and the next. We seek to equip these dedicated men and women for the challenges of the present and those of the future. As the largest nonprofit organization dedicated to farm and ranch management, Noble has dedicated its resources to serve agricultural producers with education, research, and consultation. We provide solutions to their greatest challenges. It's work we don't take lightly. Their work impacts our land, our natural resources, our wildlife, national food supply, and rural prosperity. Learn more at noble.org.